Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello Junior 4. I'm gonna answer with you now the two pages which I put them on the e-learning yesterday. Here in the first question, 42.81 equal dots to the nearest units. To the nearest units. I will circle units and I will make arrow before. Circle units and arrow before. As I told you in the revision, we look at the number which is on the arrow. 8 is a rich number, so it will give 2, 1. I will write plus 1 here. Any number before the circle will be 0. Any number after the circle will be as it is. So I will write 0, 0, 0.2 will be 3, 4 will be as it is. Why 2 becomes 3? Because I make 2 plus 1. In my choices, I have no number with 2 zeros in the decimal. It's the same of this result. 43.00, the same or equal to 43. So I will make a circle around 43. The second one, I have to make plus between these two numbers. Before making a plus, I have to be sure that the number of decimal digits here is the same to the number of decimal digits here. Here I have 2 decimal digits and here also I have 2 decimal digits. I will answer it directly. 5 plus 8 equal 13. Write 3 and carry up 1 over 4. 4 will be 5. 5 plus 8 again equals 13. Write 3 and carry up 1 over 4. Over 3, 3 becomes 4. Now 4 plus 1 equal 5. I will write 5? No, I have to put the decimal digit. Yes. Then I will make 4 plus 1 equal 5. 6 plus 2 equal 8. So I will choose the correct answer from this answer, which is 85.33. Then here I have 100 minus 37.28. I have to be sure that the number of decimal digits here is the same of the number of decimal digits here. But here I don't have decimal digits. I have to put decimal point and 2 zeros. I can make it in a draft like this. 100 minus the second number. I told you before, Junior 4, when I write the second number, I have to start from the last. So I will write 8, 2, 0.7 and 3. Then I will make minus 0 minus 8. Of course doesn't work. Borrow 1 from 1. 1 would be 0. 9, 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2. 9 minus 2 equal 7. 9 minus 7. No, I have to put the decimal point. Yes. 9 minus 7 equal 2. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So I will choose 62.72. 62.72, which is this. The answer is 62.72. Let's look here at Junior 4. This question number 4. 5,766 divided by 1,000. As I told you in our class, if I have a question like this, it's the same of this way. If I have in the denominator 1,000 and I need to make it decimal, it's very big. I have to proc it. I have to walk. How many steps should I walk? I will walk 3 steps according to the 3 zeros down. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 5.766. So I will choose this number. 5.766,000. Here in question number 5, I have 1 over 8 plus 0.13. It's not allowed to make plus between fraction and decimal number, so I have to change this fraction. In my draft here, Junior 4, let's remember together, when it's 1 over 2, it will be 0.5. When it's 1 over 4, it will be 0.25. When it's 1 over 8, it will be 0.125. Here my fraction is 1 over 8. 1 over 8. So I will cross this and write what Yes, right, 0.125. So directly, if you found 1 over 2 or half, it will be directly 0.5. 1 over 4, it will be directly 0.25. 1 over 8, it will be directly 0.125. So I will cross this and write 0.125. Then I will make plus, general plus, but be sure that the 3 digits here are the same of here. No, here I have only 2 digits in the decimal point, so I have to put 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 3, 5 again. 1 plus 1 equal 2, decimal point and 0. So I will choose this answer. It's very easy, Junior 4. Question number 6. 9,085 becomes 9,000. To the nearest what? What happened? Is there anything changed? 5 becomes 0, 8 becomes 0, 0 still 0, and 9 as it is. So I have approximated it to the nearest 1,000. Why? Because if I approximate to the nearest 1,000 like this, 0 is poor. 0 is poor. It can't give me 1. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 9, and it's the same of this. So it's approximated to the nearest 1,000. Next one, question number 7. Here I have 6.5 plus 2.5. I have to make it plus, but I have to be sure that the number of decimal digits here is the same of the number of decimal digits here. Here I have 1 decimal digit and here I have 1 decimal digit, so I will answer it directly. But where can I put the answer? I will put the answer here, up the problem. 5 plus 5 equal 10, write 0, carry up 1. 6 will be 7, 7 plus 2 equal 9, but I forgot to put what? Yes, I have to put the decimal point. Okay, I can say it's 9.0 or I can say it's 9 only because 0 doesn't matter. 8 minus 8, 0, decimal point. 12 minus 3 equal 9 also. So here it will be equal. Here I have 8, question 8, 12.5 divided by what equal 0.125. I told you, Junior 4, if I have, let's go to the graph. If I have 12.5 divided by, for example, 10, I will make it like a fraction like this. If I have in the denominator number and in the numerator the number bigger than the denominator, which is 10 or 100 or 1,000, I will move steps according to the zeros. But already here I have decimal, so I will walk 1 step. So it will be 1.25. Type, what if I have the same number over 100? How many steps should I walk? I will walk 2 steps according to the 2 zeros. But I already have the decimal, so I will stand on my decimal and I will walk 2 steps. 1, 2. What is the whole number here? Yes, it will be 0.125. And the old decimal point, I will cross it. Okay, let's check again the question in the school book. It becomes what? It becomes 0.125. So how many digits changed, or how many steps did we walk? 2 steps, yes. So it divided 100. Number 9, 160.754 approximated two dots to the nearest tenth with TH. Where is the tenth digits? It's here. So I will circle 7 and arrow before. 5 is the rich number. 5 is a rich number, so it can give me 1. Any number before the circle will be 0. Any number after the circle will be as it is. So it will be 0.061. I can skip the 0, so I will choose this. Let's make this. Again, 75 divided 10. So I will walk steps, yes, according to the zeros. How many zeros here? 1 0, so I will walk only one step, so it's 7.5. When I compare, I have to be sure that the number of decimal digits here is the same to the number of decimal digits here. Here I have one decimal digit and here I have two decimal digits, so I have to put 0. Here I have 7.50 and here I have 0.75. Of course 7 is big, of course. Okay. In the next video I will complete the answer of this page. Bye.